guys, welcome back to my channel again. Yes, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to say big thumbs up to all our stylists out there, to all the photographers, to all the models that was able to make these pictures, this beautiful pictures available for us to display to our viewers. Yes, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, hello, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, which is very important. You need to subscribe so that my channel will grow. Yes, subscribe, like and share this video. So my channel is all about compilation, and also I do personal videos of my coils, how I define my coils. Yes, because I have 4B 4C hair texture combined. Yes, so how I define my coils, and sometimes I make a personal DIY like how I make my hair. Like you can check out my previous video I did how I made my hair. Yes, and sometimes I can also feature my friends where I make their hair for free. Yes, for free. Yes guys, that is what all my channel is all about, to inspire our black sisters, not just only black sisters, the white ladies. Some of the styles will suit your hair complexion. Yes, so if you have like a 1B 1A or 1B hair, so you may need to visit the a stylist that is a professional, so that I can be able to grip your roots, because that is where you need the professionalism to help give you that perfect style. Because if the style is not able to grip your roots, so you find out that within 2-3 days your braids are just losing up, more like unraveling. Yes, but if you have the 4C from the 3B downwards, yes, you can rock your hair. Any stylist, even if it's not so professional, can be able to give you a good hairstyle. Yes, a good hairstyle. Yes, so I have different color combination of braids here. There are different ways you can rock your braids. Yes, so most times we cannot get confused. Okay, jumbo braid is just one style, so how can I rock my jumbo braids? So that is where my channel comes in. There are different ways you can rock your jumbo braids. How you can do the rubber band, the crisscross rubber band, like what you see right now. That is what is in vogue now, because so many braids they must do the crisscross. Yes, and it's beautiful. So it's not just back in early last year, people kind of feel like, okay, this crisscross is for little girls, kids. No, adults also make the style. You can still see it. You can make it cornrow or back and crisscross, depend on your stylist. Talk to your stylist, show your stylist the pictures of the hair you want to, the style you want to achieve, and make sure your stylist can do that for you. Yeah, and remember, the styles are kind of pricey, expensive. Yes, to get expensive. Yeah, so I don't know where you are, but in Nigeria it's a bit cheaper. Yes, it's a bit cheaper in Nigeria, but in the US I had cost from about $300 and above. Yeah, so guys, this brings me to the point where I urge you guys to subscribe to my channel. As I said earlier, subscribe, like and share this video. I will see you right after this video. So welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching my video down to this stage. If you love this video, how about to give it a thumbs up? Don't forget to like and share my video, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye.